Okay everyone, learn to code by coding. LeetCode 1470 shuffle the array. Basically we have in our input this list nums with numbers and a variable n, which in this case is 3. And basically we have to append a number in question, say 2, and the third number after 2. So here 2, 1, 2, 3, which is 3. So we append 2 and 3. 5, append 1, 2, 3, 4. And so in this case it can be 4, here it can be 2. So basically we work in pairs, and before we solve this, I'll give you a tip. Feel encouraged to solve it on your own and then come back to the video and see if our results are similar. In this case, I'll give you the tip of the enumerate function. You can check Python's documentation, it might help you. And for the solution, we start by creating a output list, which is empty, and we use the enumerate function. So for counter value in enumerate nums. Now we have to do a little check first. As we can see, we are working with pairs. So first of all, our list will always have a even length number. However, say we are iterating and we stop at 4. Now there is no third number after 4, right? So it would raise an error in our code. So what we have to do basically is check if the number being iterated is smaller than the half the length of our list. So we have 6 numbers here, a length of 6, and we can only work all the way to the third number, which would be index position number 2, right? 0, 1, and 2. Index position 3 onwards will return an error because there is no third element after. So that's our first check. If counter is less than len of our nums divided by 2, then we can proceed. And first of all, we are going to append the value in question, the number in question, and then we are going to append our list nums at counter plus 3. So counter plus n. So how it goes, say we are working here in 1. The counter for 1 will be 0, 1, 2, and 2 plus 3 in this case will be 5. So output append nums at position 5, which is 7. And finally we return output. Let's see how it goes. Well, accepted. Let's submit and see what happens. Okay, well, success. Thank you for watching. If you solved differently, maybe you solved in a one-liner or anything else, please comment in the section below, and we'll see you next time.